I'll show you how to create and use Blender's powerful armature bone system to shape up the mesh any way we like. S and X to scale in the X-axis. Ctrl R to place a loop cut. We need 10 cuts in total. G and X to move on the X-axis. I told you about the origin of a mesh multiple times in the past. This orange dot in the middle is the origin, and if we were to type R to rotate the mesh, the origin will work as a rotational anchor like this. If we were to move the origin to the 3D cursor, the mesh will rotate according to the current location of the origin. Let's create an armature. First thing we need to do is making the bone visible in the mesh. Go to Object Data Properties, Viewport Display, and select In Front. After selecting the armature, Tab to go to Edit Mode, and R to rotate. S to scale, and E to add another bone. Select the mesh, and Shift-select the armature. After that Ctrl-P to parent it with automatic weights. If we move the mesh, it will move without the bones, but if we move the bones, the mesh will move at the bones. To edit the bones, we need to go to Pose mode after selecting the bones. The pose mode won't work unless the bones are selected. In pose mode, select a bone and R to rotate. The target mesh needs to have a lot of geometry, if we need to have smooth transitions while posing or animating. Select the mesh, and Ctrl-3 to subdivide. Right-click and Shade Smooth to smooth the surface. This was a tutorial on how to use the armature to pose a mesh freely. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.